Styleline editing. The Styleline tools are in the 3D toolbar. Style lines are bold lines that make up the outline of your completed garment when the Styleline tool is active. Edit Styleline. The Edit Styleline tool allows you to click and drag segment points or style lines in the 3D window to make changes to an existing pattern. As you make changes in the 3D window, they are also applied in the 2D pattern window. Scale Style Line. The Scale Style Line tool allows you to edit the width of the garment by clicking and dragging in the 3D window. Move Style Line. Move Style Line allows you to change the length of your pattern from the selected style line by clicking and dragging in the desired direction. After you change the length of your garment, turn on simulation and adjust the garment in the 3D window as desired. Draw Style Line. Draw Style Line allows you to create your own style lines within an existing pattern. Left-click to draw on the selected pattern piece. Finish a new segment line by connecting to another part of your pattern as demonstrated. Remove linked editing to work asymmetrically. Symmetrically linked garments will apply the style lines to both sides of the pattern or to the corresponding pattern piece.